All right, Monson, we're here with Nick, who is outdressing me again, as always, at 48 Brimfield Road. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Nick, we got a great listing here.
Yes, we do.
You want to go take us for a walk around?
Yeah, I would love to. Come on in.
All right, let's do it. All right, we come right into, what is this, our living room?
Yeah, and if you notice, we have a pellet stove insert right in the fireplace.
Yeah, I love those pellet stoves. Had one myself. They do a great job. All right, we go around the corner.
Yeah, kitchen opens right up into the family room with vaulted ceilings and French doors that walk right out to the large backyard. I love how open all three of these rooms are together, just the flow to them, and also how you can see from the living room into that family room. Down the hall, you're going to find the full bath on the first floor. To our left, we have one of 4 bedrooms, as well as first floor laundry right there. At the end of the hall here, we have the primary with 2 walk-in closets. Yeah, this 4-bed, 1-bath home offers a lot sitting on almost 3 acres in Monson, Mass. It also features solar and a garage underneath.
Looks like state-of-the-art. We have a Tesla Powerwall downstairs as well. Let's go up the stairs, and we got 2 more bedrooms up there.
Yeah, upstairs you got 2 more bedrooms with hardwood floors throughout.
All right, I love it. If you want to take a look at this home, Nick's information is right there on the screen. Hit him up for a private showing. If you want to talk about financing, we've got some great programs out there, even some down payment assistance and closing cost assistance for first-time buyers. Hit me up. Love to chat. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. Monson, thanks for having us. We're out of here.